The U.S. State Department has approved potential foreign military sale of AIM-120D3 and AIM-120C8 advanced medium-range air-to-air missiles and associated equipment to Japan, with estimated deal worth $3.64 billion. These missiles features latest air-to-air missile technology, featuring enhanced guidance systems, extended range and improved lethality. India's upcoming 13-ton unmanned combat stealth bomber will incorporate digital beamforming system, a cutting-edge technology that enhances effectiveness and precision of radar and communication systems. It provides rapid scanning, high resolution and the ability to track multiple targets simultaneously. The Ukrainian Ministry of Defense demonstrated use of fiber optic FPV drones. The UAV operators positively assessed the tactical and technical characteristics of the drones confirmed during the demonstration flights. New images have surfaced confirming the near completion of Pakistan's first spy ship, the PNS Rizwan. It features 3 prominent domes, believed to house sophisticated tracking equipment and radars. PNS Rizwan is designed for extensive surveillance and intelligence gathering missions, a critical aspect of modern naval warfare.